Go ahead and open the driver's side door. Now right over there at the bottom there is an access panel. That's the cover. Press down on the clip and pull the cover back. Be patient with it, it's going to take a few seconds but it'll come right out, and that's where the fuse panel is. On the back side of the cover is the fuse diagram. We'll focus on the one fuse that says power outlet 20 amps. First get the fuse puller. Now we'll put the fuse puller on the 20 amp, the yellow fuse over there, put it right on it, just the way I'm showing, and now pull it out and see what happens to my power outlet. My power goes off the moment I pull the fuse because I have a good fuse. So the moment I took the fuse out, the power is gone. Get the fuse out from the back of the fuse puller. Take a look at the center part. My center part is not broken, which means it's a good fuse. If yours is broken, that's a bad fuse, and the good thing is we have a spare fuse with us. That will likely solve the problem. So get the fuse puller on that 20 amp spare fuse, get it out, and take a look at this one, and make sure that the center part of this is not broken, and this is looking good. So now let's put this spare fuse back in the original position, right over there. Skip one over the red one, and that's it. The moment I put the fuse on, the power comes back on. Put the cover back, put the fuse puller back in its place, align the cover like this and press it down to secure it, and that's pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.